Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can enable the memory in ChatGPT. So, memory is one of the best ways using which ChatGPT can remember your preferences, your tone, or any other information that you wish it to remember. So, let me guide you how you can enable memories in ChatGPT. So, in order to enable memories, first you will need to go to the chatgpt.com website and then click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once you do this, you will see a set of menu like this, and from this menu choose the settings option or the personalization. Now within the settings, you will need to click onto this personalization option and simply scroll down until you see the memory tab. If you wish to learn more about the memory tab, you can click onto this question mark, and from here you can read all about what memories are and how do it work in ChatGPT. Now from here you can see this option which says reference saved memories, which says let ChatGPT use and save memories when responding. Simply enable this particular toggle, and from here both of these toggles will be enabled, that is reference chat memories and reference saved memories. If you wish to manage memories, you can click onto this manage option, and from here you will see all of the memories that ChatGPT has currently stored. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.